G'day, V-Dubs here, and how you doing? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we're going to install the headlights on the Baja, so watch and enjoy. Moving on from the front of the car, the next step is the headlights. And on your headlights there's a fitting like this that all of these wires actually fit into. And that's why people think that that won't fit through the rubber grommet over there. And so they just cut them off. Whereas in fact all you need is a sharpish screwdriver which fits down that slot there, and as you push it squashes this tab and you're able to pop these out the back and that comes off. So what do all these colors mean? Well, the way I remember it is white is high beams because it's bright, and yellow is low beam because white's brighter than yellow, and then brown is ground, and the fact that there's two connectors tells you that that's ground. And this wire over here, this is for your park lights. So where do the wires go? If you look at that plug that fits onto your light, brown or ground goes there, low beam, high beam. So brown, ground, yellow, low, white, high beam. You just push in like that and it's in. Rather than have this tape job, I'm actually going to undo these and clean these wires up. Someone has tried to future-proof this by actually fitting connectors to take this fitting out in the future. So the intention was good, if only they'd realized you can pop these out of the plug. Just received this package from CIP. So let's open that up. Okay, headlight retainer. This is different to the EMPI's specific parts. But it looks like the same thing, so that's great. So I ordered two of those. From a previous video, I showed you these light fittings with the angel eye. So let's see if that will fit in the headlight retainer. So again, it's just this chrome ring we're going to remove with these 3 screws and fit the headlight in there. Alright, so that ring comes off. There we go. So I've got it aligned. That piece there needs to fit into that groove, and that piece there needs to fit into that groove, and then it's aligned. So there we have it. Let's put this ring back on. Okay, so that headlight's installed. This is the park light, or in our case the angel eye. So with this headlight, you need to install a bulb. So let me open it up. And there's the bulb. So let's put that in. See there's little clips, maybe from the top it's easier to see these little wires clip into these clips and hold the bulb in. And there you go with the 3 fittings. And there we go, one headlight ready to go. So let me do the other one, and we'll be right back. And there we have 2 headlights ready to be installed. These park light wires need spade connectors, so just got some spades, and both the ground and the positive are spade connectors. So what I'll do is I'll crimp them on, and then I like to just put a bit of solder down there just to ensure I get a good contact. cleaned up the wires, I've crimped on some connectors, and I've fitted the plug. So let's actually fit the headlight. So I'm just going to put some tape around that so it doesn't short. Okay, so we're ready to plug the headlight in. And then I just need to screw that fitting into place. So I've got a 3.5mm screw, and I'm just going to pop the washer on as well. There we go, headlight installed. That's what it looks like now with both headlights installed. So we just have to put the trim rings on. So we're just going to plug these holes because we don't need them with the new fittings. So Josh has just scuffed the paint and we're just going to put some putty in there. So just, wax and grease remover. On the other side. We'll do the other one. So what we're going to do is we're going to put putty in those holes, and we're going to build it up on this side, but we're going to push it through so it's almost like a pop rivet. So the putty will stick from both sides, that way it shouldn't fall off. This is the putty we're going to use, and it's Selly's, which is an Australian brand, but it's just these multi-purpose putties that you get. So if you have a look there, you'll see it's two different types of putty. So what you do is you just cut off as much as you need, and then as you mix them, that's how they activate. Then you want it all to be the same color. You can see it's still got stripes, so that's no good. Okay, so what I want to do, I'm going to take half of it, shove it through, and then I want to seal it on this side, get it to stick together so that it makes just like that. I wonder if we should do this and then sand it.
Put that on the other side.
No, don't need. See, all of this is going to be extra. No, we'll sand it later. So I bought these screws to fit in the bottom of the trim rings. They should fit in over there. Because the fitting at the bottom has been stripped. But unfortunately they don't fit. So I'm going to have to replace them with these wood screws. Because once someone's done that, they've ruined the threads. And you'll only ever be able to put them back in with wood screws. So let's get on with that. Okay, so we've got the trim ring. Put the wood screw through. And I like to catch it at the bottom. And then just give the top a knock and it'll go over this little clip here and clip itself. And there we go. Headlights installed. Front latch installed. Bull bar installed. All with the bed liner instead of chrome. Thank you so much for watching. And those that have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It shows that, a bit of feedback that you are watching the channel and enjoying it. So, on that note, again, thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. Thanks again for watching. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.